Hi everybody, my name is Chris Conkle. Welcome to my channel. Today I got a very special package delivered right to site for me from Hilti. So we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be previewing some of the tools that I'll be reviewing over the next couple of weeks on my channel. Stay to the end of the video and you can find out how you can win some really cool stuff. The Hilti package came in today, everybody. I was gonna do a little unboxing here, so this is the gear I got. I'm going to be doing a couple more Hilti reviews here right away. So I got the brand new impact gun. It's the SID 4-A22. This is the new model, 3-speed, just like the other model. But yeah, oh my god, this thing is so light. I was worried about the weight of the Hilti, but this is like half the weight of the older model. This is amazing. Very nice gun. And then I got the SCM. I was able to change my order in time, so I got the SCM-22A. So I'll be reviewing this bad boy. Wow, man, this looks like some crazy stuff. So it's got something like some anti-dust module. Like it's some crazy stuff that yeah, like it just, the dust is I don't know. We'll have to find. Well, we're gonna find out. We're gonna be testing it tomorrow, so I'll be doing the saw review tomorrow. I got a 5.2 amp battery. So this is like the same size as the old 3.0s. They're so light now. The weight is so different. But yeah, so I got a 5.2 amp for the saw. And then I wanted to get us because we have the 3.0s. I got the 3.3s, my old ones. So now I got the 3.0 battery as well. So the Hilti rep was awesome. Okay, so I got not one charger, but two chargers. So I got two Hilti chargers, and then I also got two of the 3.0 batteries. So two 3.0s and two 5.2s. So I got the two big batteries to two small batteries. Yeah, for $1,200. This is also I got a 20 pack of the gold diamond bits. I love these bits. Those are the best bits in the world. They're the diamond like sort of diamond tip to gold tip or something. I don't know. Well, let's see here. Does it even say? But yeah, and then these are the shafts. I got two of these shafts. I got one already open here, but I got two of these Hilti shafts. They're nice and see the size? They're nice and small. So I got two. I got one for my cordless drywall gun, and I got one for the new impact. So this is it set up with the tip. I've already used it today. I couldn't wait. I was framing at work today. I had to open it up and use the impact, and I'm telling you, man, it's a nice setup. So, and then I got two blades. These blades are like $100 a piece, and I got one free, and I bought one for $100, and I got one free for this first purchase or whatever. So, but yeah, that's a 6.5 inch, and it'll cut like metal channel pipe. Like it's a heavy duty saw, man. Like it's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to doing the review on it. And I got two of these clips. They're for the I wonder if you can clip the saw. No, they're for the impact gun. So actually, I wonder if I can even put one on the no, I can't. But yeah, they're for the impact gun. So they gave me a free one, an extra one. I've already installed this one. It's the clip. Look, it even got Hilti on the clip now, and you screw it in right there. And I got the two extra screws, so I actually have three sets of screws and two clips. I got two bits, so crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna unpack this all and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I know I've been working very, really hard lately with work and renos and kids and Halloween and everything and new house and moving and blah blah blah. I look like hell. Nobody told me. Thank you very much. But I need to shave and shower at the barber shop maybe later on this afternoon. But so anyways, on to the prize, guys. This is the end of the video. This bag. This is one of the Hilti bags that I bought with my tools. I decided that instead of using this one, I'm going to give it away. But I'm not going to give it away empty. It's going to have 10 different items in it. So the plan is 1 item a week is going to go into this bag until I hit 1,000 subscribers or January 17th midnight comes along. And if I don't have 1,000 subscribers by January 17th, then the prize will be divided up between the subscribers. Okay, so if I got 1,000 subs sooner or on January 17th, 2018, there'll be 1 individual who will win the entire load. These bags are really awesome. They last forever on site, and they hold a lot of tools. So let's just kind of give you an idea. It's got the shoulder strap. It's a super heavy duty bag. It's got like the metal rods in it. It's got like this is heavy plastic protection on the base. It's got a solid base. Very good quality bags. They last forever. I have 2 other ones. I love them. They hold a lot of stuff. So to win it, you have to be 1, subscribe to my channel. 2, you have to be on my Discord. That's the 2 rules. I'm gonna pick a random comment from one of my Hilti review videos. Okay, so it's gonna be a random comment from one of my Hilti reviews. So you gotta watch my Hilti reviews, all the ones coming out from now till then. Okay, I'll be picking a random comment from one of those videos, and if I hit 1,000 subscribers before January 17th, this whole load will be going to somebody very lucky. So I'm gonna, once a week, I'll be putting a new item into it, and it'll be an item that I use and I love. It'll be my favorite stuff is going to go in here. Okay, I want to share it with you guys. So spread the word, let everybody know they want to win something cool. They want to subscribe to a cool YouTube channel, then send them my way. Alright, if you're new to Chris Uncle Vlogs, make sure you subscribe right down below. YouTube thinks you might like this video right there, so give it a watch. I put another playlist down there below for you. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss when I go live every single Sunday morning. It's a lot of fun. Be there, guys. It's a lot of fun. Alright, this is Chris. Bye for now, everyone.